Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to delete Instagram block list without unblock. So first of all, open Instagram account. Look at the left corner. Go to settings. Tap on this and click on. Now shown here your block list. First of all, take a screenshot. Now I am taking a screenshot. Go back. Click on this. Tap on report a problem and add file to screenshot and just type here to this title and now send a report. Please waiting some hours, then Instagram team automatically delete your block list without unblock. That's how we can do it.